Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on top marketing strategies in 2024. Do you know that in 2024, marketing strategies had evolved to meet the dynamic demands of ever-changing digital landscape? Embracing cutting-edge technologies and consumer-centric approaches, businesses are poised to navigate the competitive terrain with innovative and impactful campaigns. From the resurgence of SEO with a focus on rich snippets and mobile friendliness to the renaissance of influencer marketing, the strategies of the year reflect a nuanced understanding of a consumer behavior. Additionally, hyper-localized campaigns and the integration of sustainability as a core brand value underscores the importance of relevance and social responsibility. With that said, guys, before we move on, I have a just quick info for you. Before we move on and learn about the top marketing strategies in 2024, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So guys, let's start with the top marketing strategies in 2024. The first strategy that we have all over here is video content. So guys, as we all know that in 2024, the dominance of video content continues to ascend, solidifying its status as the premium medium. Short-form videos captivating audiences on social platforms showcases the medium's dynamic and engaging nature. Meanwhile, long-form video essays gain prominence for their ability to both educate and entertain, offering a versatile and immersive experience. As this technology evolves, we all know that video's adaptability and ability to convey information in diverse format ensures its unmatched appeal, making it an indispensable tool for communication, entertainment, and education in the digital landscape. The continual rise of video in 2024 signifies its enduring influence and adaptability in ever-evolving media landscape. So this is one of the most prominent marketing strategy that I've been seeing in 2024. Let's move on and discuss about our second marketing strategy. And I hope so you would have heard about it. It's called as Personalization 2.0, Precision at Scale. In the era of Personalization 2.0, technological strides have revolutionized customization. AI-driven insights empower brands to meticulously tailor individualized experiences on expansive scale, transcending generic approaches. And this precision at scale not only enhances the customer engagement but also fosters an unwavering loyalty. Brand harnesses the power of data-driven intelligence to anticipate and fulfill unique preferences, creating a seamless and personalized journey for each customer. And as the technology evolves, we all know that Personalization 2.0 marks a transformative shift where brands leverage their audience on profound and individual level, setting new standards for customer-centric strategies in the digital age. Next we have all over here is voice search optimization. Cracking the vocal code can also benefit your business. We all know that the rise of voice-activated devices has reshaped the search paradigm, emphasizing the importance of voice search optimization in 2024. Crafting content that aligns seamlessly with conversational queries become paramount as users increasingly interact with technology through spoken language. To maintain visibility in this evolving landscape, businesses must optimize their online presence for voice search, deciphering the nuances of spoken queries. Strategic keyword selection, natural language integration, and focus on contextually relevant response have become essential elements in cracking the vocal code. As voice interaction becomes more and more prevalent, adapting to these shifts ensure brands stay at the forefront of accessible and user-friendly digital experiences. I hope so you would have got an idea that implementing voice search optimization can be a game changer for your business. Now, next we have AI-powered chatbots. We all know that in 2024, AI-powered chatbots are redefining customer interaction, which are emerging as an indispensable tools for businesses. And these intelligent bots are driven by artificial intelligence, which offer instantaneous and personalized support, addressing queries, and also adaptively guiding their users. Their significance lies in continuous learning from each interaction, enabling them to evolve and enhance their responses over the time. The efficiency and accessibility of AI-driven chatbots are streamlining customer service, providing around-the-clock assistance, and improving the user experiences. As these bots become more sophisticated, they not only boost operational efficiency but also contribute to building lasting customer relationships, thus making a transformative shift in the landscape of customer engagement and support. And it's one of the most innovative strategies that I have seen businesses are implementing in 2024. Now let's move on and discuss about our next strategy, which is ephemeral content or the FOMO strategy. I hope so you would have heard about FOMO. If I'm correct, FOMO stands for fear of missing out. FOMO emerges as a compelling marketing strategy in 2024. Its transient nature, available only for a limited time, triggers a sense of urgency among the audiences. Stories and posts that vanish create an immediate and time-sensitive allure, fostering higher engagement as users fear missing out on exclusive or time-bound experiences. This dynamic approach not only captivates attention but also prompts immediate actions such as clicks, shares, and purchases. In the evolving landscape of digital content consumption, leveraging ephemeral content as FOMO strategy proves effective in maximizing audience engagement and also capitalizing on the psychology of urgency. Next we have all over here, guys, is sustainability. So, in 2024, sustainability has emerged as a cornerstone of brand identity, fostering profound connections with an environmentally conscious audience. As societal awareness about the environment intensifies, brands embracing sustainability have gained the prominence. Incorporating eco-friendly practices have become imperative from supply chain decision to product packaging. Transparent communication about these initiatives not only enhances brand credibility but also resonates with consumers seeking ethical and responsible choices. In this era of heightened environmental consciousness, brands prioritizing sustainability align with shifting consumer values, cultivating trust and loyalty. The integration of sustainable practices is no longer optional. It is an essential strategy for brands aiming to thrive in an eco-aware marketplace. Next we have all over here in our catalog, that is influencer marketing. We all know that a renaissance in influencer marketing unfolds in 2024 as marked by a shift toward authenticity and relevance. If I talk about nano and micro influencers with their genuine connections to niche audiences also claim the spotlight. Brands recognize the power of these small-scale influencers as their authenticity resonates deeply with the emphasis on pivots from macro celebrities to relatable figures, fostering more genuine connections. Macro and micro influencers' ability to convey authenticity and relatability positions them as a valuable partners in targeted marketing strategies, reflecting a nuanced approach to influencer collaborations that align seamlessly with diverse and discerning preferences of contemporary consumers. Next we have all over here one of the most popular one, and I prefer this as the most amazing tools which I've seen in the e-commerce platforms a lot. This is augmented reality. So we all know that augmented reality is set to redefine consumer experiences, enabling brands to create immersive encounters. Leveraging AR, brands can empower customers to visualize products within their personal environments before committing to a purchase. This transformative approach bridges the gap between online and offline shopping, enhancing consumer confidence by offering a tangible preview of how products fit into their lives. From trying on virtual clothing to placing furniture in living spaces, AR provides a dynamic and interactive dimension to the shopping process, unlocking a new era of personalized and engaging consumer interaction that go beyond traditional e-commerce boundary. AR has proven to be one of the most effective strategies in 2024. Now let's move on and discuss about our ninth strategy. And this is one of the most effective strategies which I've seen in 2024, which is hyper-localized campaigns. In 2024, there was a rise of hyper-localized campaigns which are transforming the marketing strategies through precise and geo-targeting. Brands recognize the importance of specific regions and cultures, fostering a more personalized and resonant connection with diverse audiences. By understanding local preferences, these campaigns go beyond generic approaches, speaking directly to the unique needs and interests of each community. The result is a heightened level of relatability, as brands demonstrate a nuanced understanding of the local context. Embracing hyper-localization ensures that marketing efforts not only reach but genuinely connect with consumers, establishing a more meaningful presence in the intricacies of regional diversity. Now let's move on and discuss about our final strategy. And you have heard about this word a lot, and it is SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. In 2024, SEO experiences have resurged, adapting to Google's evolving algorithms. Rich snippets and schema markup languages have emerged as pivotal elements, providing search engines with structured data to enhance result visibility and user understanding. Mobile friendliness remains paramount, giving increasing reliance on smartphones for online searches. As Google prioritizes user experience, websites optimized for mobile devices gain an edge in search ranking. This new era of SEO emphasizes not only keyword relevance, but also the delivery of high-quality, context-rich content. Adapting to these factors becomes imperative for businesses striving to secure top positions in search engine results and remain visible in the ever-evolving digital landscape. With that said, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video on top marketing strategies that we should implement in 2024.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.